Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Kashara. Welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be like basically a video with me showing you my favorites, my holy grail makeup products, and also new products that I'll be using. Some of the products that I will be showing in my video, they're not brand new, like on the market. Like they've been out for a minute. They're just brand new to me, and a lot of people have asked me to get like certain things and try them out, and that's exactly what I did. So I just want to make a video all together showing the products. So yeah, you can just look at this simple and clean, like bright glow, whatever you want to name it, beats. Like it was something quick and simple, pretty much an everyday with a pop of color under the bottom lash line, a lot of highlights, hoop earrings, and a wrap scarf. Super chill makeup look, all using either my holy grails or brand new products. So if you're interested in seeing the rest of this video, guys, then keep on watching. Okay, guys, I picked up this Milani Prime Shield Face Primer, and it's supposed to be a mattifying primer. And like I said, the products that I am using in this video, they've been out a minute, but I've never used them before. So that's why this video is going to be like, it's like me using new products, not just necessarily new products that are out on the market. I kind of maybe like used too much, but it gave me like a soft mixture on my face. I know when I got this bunted on, like it's about to go down. I know this foundation has been out a minute, but like I said, I've not used it, and it's the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. Start off with a little bit at first. I've been hearing so like many great things on this foundation, but I've never used it myself. So pretty. It's very light, very light. I feel like I would have to go in with like another coat just to get it to like be flawless. I got like a little acne scar coming through. And a lot about this Makeup Revolution concealer, so I just decided to give it a try myself. I got it in the shade C10. I think it's supposed to be a dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape, and the Tarte Shape Tape is my ride or die. Do you hear me? Like, I love that concealer. I've been like love blending my concealer out with brushes. I don't know, like I don't know if I'm like not drying all the products out my beauty blenders, but it's like when I wet them, water, like the soap that I clean with, it comes out, and it's like I don't know. Maybe I ain't doing it right. Y'all help me out, cause I don't think I'm doing it right. I like it. It's like blending out really good. I think the Tarte Shape Tape is a little bit thicker than this, but it's alright. I'm gonna use my Black Radiance setting powder to set where I put my concealer at. I've used this before. This is like the shit. If y'all do not have the Black Radiance setting powder, you need to go get it like since you sleeping. Like with this setting powder, you don't have any flashbacks, like no white cast, like none of it. Like this legit is the shit. For real. Go get it. And if you like it, come back and tell me that you like it. Cause I know you gonna like it. I'm gonna go in with this Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick. I'm using in the shade Ebony. Depending on what look I'm going for. Sometimes I like the heavy contour. look crazy right now, but I always like a snatched makeup look. I'm gonna go back in with the foundation brush that I did use to apply the foundation with and blend this contour out. I ain't being rude, I'm just being real. You know, everybody do stuff different. Everybody like different. Everybody the same. Like Radiance powder, and I'm just going to clean up my contour like around the jawline. I'm gonna set that concealer using this 3D Couture powder that I picked up from my local beauty supply store. Is Clinique setting powder, which I've already had this. I didn't pick up a new setting powder. We're gonna brush this away. I picked up this Milani blush in the shade Coral Cove. And I'm going to put that on. Y'all, I'm barely making it through this video. Lately, blush has been popping. Like, bringing the look up on like your concealer has for real been popping lately. Like, for real. If you put too much, you can always go back in. Once you use it, your face with. I'm going with the Anastasia kit. I'm gonna put Glow Getter on my brow bone. Now I love me some freaking highlight. Like, if they ever take highlight away, use a Forever Young one, and I think I like it. And once again, you can go back in with the brush you set your face with, and just if you feel like you see any harsh lines, just get those lines out. With my Holy Grail Milani Make It Last setting spray, I'm going to set this all over my face. Y'all, so I picked up this lip pencil, and it's a waterproof lip liner. I did this girl makeup for graduation, and she had this lip liner, and I did like a red ombre lip. And y'all, when I tell you, I've never even heard of this brand Palladio, but she said she was on YouTube and she saw somebody use it, and they did an ombre. So that's why she bought it, and so I did it. I'm insert a picture of her makeup in the video so you can see her lips. But yes, and I was like, I got to go pick that up. The piece just broke off. Like, what? Y'all already know I love the makeup Shayla lipstick in the shade Quickie. This is like my holy grail, my ride or die lipstick. Like, it is the shit. what I want to show y'all, if y'all have not heard about this e.l.f. lip plumping gloss, it don't make your lips bigger. It's just the lip gloss is popping. It's so pretty. I usually go with my Maybelline clear gloss, but it's outside my car. I'm not going outside. But I love that gloss. But I mean, you don't have to get the Maybelline kind. You can get any kind of lip gloss that you want, any clear gloss. But with this combo, I'm gonna put this one on, and this in the shade Champagne Glam, and it is so pretty. When you first put it on, of course, it's gonna be a little tingling sensation, but you will get over it. At the pink and it's a Zulu palette. This mascara, y'all, when I tell you waterproof, like you think you been got this off, you wake up in the morning time and it's like running. So one thing I hate about this mascara, but it is the truth. Like it's so freaking hard to get out. So I believe you can use this during the summertime or whatever. As you can see, like it's really like give your eyelashes volume. Put the top ones on before I apply my lashes. I did like this whole, when I put my lipstick on, I feel like I did this whole thing backwards. Like, you know how you put your lipstick on last, like, what you doing? Like, I don't know what was I thinking. But it's coming together and I'm liking it. These lashes I got, I can't even remember the name of them. Like, I have so many lashes that I just leave around the house and then like I found them like, oh, these cute. And I've been like forgot all about them. Then like I clean them and then reuse them. You know, I've done it for so many lashes. Like I don't even remember the name of them because I do it that much. Like I really buy. I use them my lashes like every other day.